So that's more or less the same water distribution system. We have different materials here. We have, where are my pipes? We have different materials, PE and cast iron. And we have different diameters. There's something weird here. I think I messed up my own imports and exports. I've prepared an import export, so let's see. So let's see. The source is now the Mike Plus database. Target type is CAD file, and here I've defined a CAD file. It takes the tanks, exports the geometry, and here we can define a CAD block, which is called circle. This is one of the, well, this is the default block, so it will create a circle in the CAD file. Then we append, it's always append, I can't change that. We append from the junctions, again, into circle with geometry. And finally, we create the pipes. We write into a layer my pipes. Yeah, by the way, these are the layers. Layer my tank, layer my junctions, layer my pipes. So those are the layer names. We create the pipes themselves, but we can also define some properties of the CAD file. The color index 4 means cyan. I have a column comments here, which I can use. And this guy's, I'm not so familiar with CAD, and I would forget that what 4 really means. So I write here 4 is cyan. So any material, polyethylene, will turn out as a cyan line in the CAD file. And anything cast iron, that's the German abbreviation for cast iron, will turn blue. We can also modify the line weight, which is not always visible. It depends on what CAD program you use. 80 millimeters diameter will turn into a 25. Well, it's in a 0.25 millimeter line, and diameter 100 will be 0.35 millimeters, and diameter 150 will 0.50 millimeters. So these are the assignments to the CAD file, and the documentation gives you more details about various CAD file properties. Some are more exotic, and I'm not sure all work, as well as color and line weight. So we verify, we run. This may or may not take longer. Okay, that was, I think, pretty fast. Let's see. That's the one. And I have a CAD viewer here. I don't have a full AutoCAD here, but this is a CAD viewer. And this is how the exported CAD file looks. You can't see the line width here, but at least the colors are visible, and they match what we had in Mike Plus.